Hello, people. Welcome to the show Expose on Marriage or No Marriage with Kavita Kapoor Khalsa. My name is Radhika, and every Friday we are going to be live 9 p.m. and we are going to talk on various topics related to marriage or no marriage. Hi, Kavita.
Hi, how are you? And hello, people. We're back with our expose on a subject which is very confusing. Like there was a silent pause. You can you call it silent or pregnant? Because it's about marriage is all about becoming pregnant, right? For a lot of people, बच्चे पैदा करने के लिए हम शादी करते हैं. So yeah.
Today's topic is happiness in marriage. But before that, could you please explain what is marriage or no marriage?
So, what is this show about? This show is here with a difference. We're not going to be saying that you should marry or you should not marry, but we're just going to be talking about various topics under the subject and under the, it's like the the tree is marriage no marriage, and the topics are there, which is like the first topic we're taking today is happiness in marriage. एंड आई एम श्योर पीपल हु वुड हैव क्रिएटेड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट आज वो भी अपनी कबर में रो रहे होंगे कि ये क्या है, क्यों इतना कंफ्यूजिंग हो चुका है ये चीज, एंड इट्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ऑल्सो. So if you are afraid of getting married, if you're desire to get married, either way, it's for parents, it's for children, it's actually practically for anybody who would like to have some clarity on the subject of marriage or no marriage. And you can send in your topics if you would like to get it covered, and in one of the episodes we'll probably pick it up and talk about it. So that is marriage or no marriage for you.
So, can we talk about happiness in marriage? Like, if we have Mr. and Mrs. and if they have, if they're looking for happiness in marriage, what do you have to say about that?
बहुत भारी टॉपिक है नहीं हैप्पीनेस. एक तो इन द क्वेस्ट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस वी जस्ट सर्चिंग एंड वी थिंक दैट मैरिज में मिल जाएगा, एंड देन देयर आर सो मेनी मीम्स दैट कम अलोंग दैट आई एम हैप्पीली अनमैरिड or happy and marriage don't go together. And when I was a child, all the fairy tales showed and they lived happily ever after, and I was like wondering, is that even true?
And there are
And
also marriage goals. Like, if I'll get married, then I'll go abroad. If I'll get married, I'll do architecture. There are so many goals associated with it.
शादी के बाद तुम ये कर लेना एंड शादी के बाद वो कर लेना, उसके बाद तो कुछ होता ही नहीं, बच्चे पैदा हो रहे होते हैं. सो एक्चुअली हैप्पीनेस इज व्हाट आई मीन टू ईच टू हिज ओन, बिकॉज़ हैप्पीनेस, व्हाट इज हैप्पीनेस फॉर यू इफ आई आस्क? हैप्पीनेस है क्या चीज, किस बला का नाम है?
Happiness for me, I think I find happiness in small things, like going to parlor, like having a haircut,
Yes,
or I find happiness in small things. Like if I have the latest phone in my hand, I will be like, "Yay, this is so cool!" Or if I'm having my favorite ice cream or
रात
pizza.
के 2 बजे गोला खाने का जो मजा है, so happiness could be different for different people. It's about just being you. Unfortunately, in a marriage we give up on ourselves. We start accommodating because we are already told and mentally prepared that adjustment and compromise तो करना ही पड़ता है ना, उसके बिना life नहीं चलती है. And here we are and we are like, God, how long is life a compromise? And that is where we create sadness in marriage, because nobody likes this term called compromise. So if you're compromising you, if you're giving up yourself on yourself and you stop living for yourself and you're just living for others, I think that is creating a lot of sadness and unhappiness. If you kind of reverse that and start doing things for you, unfortunately, आपको selfish कहा जाएगा, but that is also just a judgment. If you kind of receive it joyfully and gracefully, you can create a lot of happiness for yourself. At least one person will be happy in that marriage, and that is you. And you don't have to be sorry for being happy. Unfortunately, we all are so sorry for being happy. And once you are happy, you can contribute that energy to the other people around you.
Yeah, this is a nice message. Like when we are happy, we hide it or we be small and cringe. Okay, oh, I'm happy, and whereas we are supposed to be just be and like we should be
Yes,
joyful and dancing and
I know couples who say मेरी खुशी उससे देखी नहीं जाएगी. Really? Is that what your association is with each other? नहीं देखी जाएगी तो और खुश होके दिखाने का. So that either they come to the invitation of being that joy and you be the inspiration. If not, then just move away.
So
You
there
don't.
there are few couples, Mr. and Mrs. And like Miss and Miss and whatever. They have things like, okay, my husband will not like it if I do this. My wife will not like if I go ahead with this.
Yeah.
In such
After they won't even
scenarios,
choose
yeah.
classes or sessions with us because their husbands and wives would not be okay, or they have to hide from their family to come for a session or take a therapy, which is interesting, isn't it? इतने साल गुजर चुके और अभी तक अगर आपका ट्रस्ट फैक्टर नहीं जनरेट हुआ है, then you are creating that unhappiness, that अब क्या करें, लाइफ ही ऐसी है. No, it's a choice you are making. You have a choice and you always have a choice. So everywhere you are giving yourself a choiceless universe, because एक तरफ यूनिवर्स बोल रहे हो और फिर कह रहे हो चॉइस नहीं है. यूनिवर्स तो बहुत बड़ा होता है, उसमें सिर्फ चॉइसेस ही होती है. So वो आप नहीं चूज कर रहे हो. So if you start choosing for you, I think you will be at least a happier person. It's not about others, it's about you. मास्क पहले खुद पहनते हैं फिर किसी और को पहनाते हैं. That's the whole thing.
That's so brilliant. That's a good message. Um, do you have a message for single or unmarried or divorced people?
Have messages for everyone, but I wonder if they're going to receive this message and they already know what they got to do, because it's a choice to be with somebody or not be with somebody. And if somebody says pressure में कहते हैं कि शादी कर लो, do it for your parents, I simply would say don't create crap the way your parents have created. You have a choice. You can create to be with somebody or not be with somebody, and it's completely okay to be on your own, because I think that's a gift and a strength that you have, that you're choosing to be on your own. And if you so being single is not a crime, being unmarried is not a crime, being divorced or choosing to walk out of a marriage is definitely not a crime. And then we start saying, oh, hamara culture mein nahi hai and all that. No, I would simply say choose what is okay for you, what works for you. At least stop creating this toxicity on the planet. Just be yourself, be who you be. Being with someone or being without someone, just enjoy yourself. And we have stopped enjoying ourselves, Radhika. The only thing is, if we enjoy ourselves, then it really doesn't matter we are with someone or without someone.
So, if I had to ask you if you could give 5 tips to be happy in marriage on top of your mind, what would that be?
5 tips to be happy is do something that makes you happy, and so that when you get that energy, you can infuse it in your family. You have to trust that, not in order to change somebody or do something. Trust yourself that.
Okay, I'll say the third one. You can spice up the things. You can have good communication.
Yeah, communicate. That's the fourth one.
Oh,
Spice up the things is being creative in marriage. ऐसे नहीं बात बनती है तो कैसे कर सकते हैं? And drop your expectations. That's the fifth one.
wow, that's
Fourth is
nice.
communication. That's so important. अगर आप बोल नहीं सकते तो लिख के बात कर लो. लिख के नहीं कर सकते तो चिट्ठी लिख लो वो कबूतर वाले टाइम पे. There's so much that you can do. And हमारे पास्ट के हिसाब से ना क्रिएट करा जाए. हमारे प्रेजेंट में हम क्या चूज कर सकते हैं उसके बेसिस पे किया जाए. So these tips will be like having fun with yourself and keep creating your relationship and your marriage on a daily basis. When you carry forward the पेन एंड एग्नी, जो कल था वो आज है वो फिर कई सालों तक हम वो याद करते रहते हैं. एंड देन से क्या करे, वो वुंड भरा नहीं, भरने दोगे तो भरेगा ना. सो एक बारी वो हो जाएगा तो आई थिंक यू विल बी फाइन.
That's amazing. I think, do you have any last note or goodbyes thing to say to people?
I'm simply saying, if you're wounded, allow your wounds to heal. And we are there as therapists, energy sessions that we do, कि वो कहाँ पे फंसा है चीज जो है उसको निकाल के बाहर फेंकना, लेकिन चॉइस आपका होगा. तो दर्द को कैरी करने से वो कम नहीं होगा, दर्द को छोड़ देने से कम होता है. So that's what I would say. So marriage इतना भी बुरा नहीं है, उसको हमने बना दिया है. As if सारा पेन पॉइंट जो है वो मैरिज है, और ना होने को भी हमने गलत बना दिया है. In both the cases, it's like a conflictual universe we are creating. What if we could just give it a different perspective, choose something different, and choose more happiness, so that the planet is happy and so are we.
So we can say that सर्दी हो या गर्मी, संडे हो या मंडे, choose happiness.
Choose happiness. I know कोई राइम नहीं करता, लेकिन यहाँ संडे हो या मंडे, रोज खाए अंडे. हम अंडों की यहाँ पे प्रमोशन नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन हम कह रहे हैं एटलीस्ट
Happiness की प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, एटलीस्ट मत खाओ डंडे और ना मारो खुद को. That is what it is.
Nice,
So
nice.
Yeah,
Thank you, Kavita. Thank you, people. We'll meet next Friday, 9 p.m.
with a new topic.
The new topic.
Happiness
Bye-bye.
के आगे चलते हैं. Bye guys. See you.
Bye.